In the end, she gave up.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Her husband didn't think so.
He was a coward. Being strong, not giving up.
So hello guys, theGamingLineHD here, and today we're going to be playing some Wasteland, Arma 2. And today I'm joined with Luke. Yours, hello.
Hello.
So Wasteland is basically a bunch of vehicles spawn, helicopters, jets, all the lot. And this server, like every 5 minutes, parachutes come down and carry precious loot and cars and vehicles and helicopters. So Wasteland, you basically can build bases if you want. Oh wait, guys, I found that immobile helicopter thing.
Oh.
So there's just like there's jobs like what you have to do, and yeah, it's really cool. Like you kill each other, which isn't so cool, but yeah. Right, so Luke, where are you?
I'm shooting at a guy. It's basically just like a massive free-for-all. Uh-oh. Quick, get in my car. Ah, I'm dead. Damn it.
Choco Pack, what's that? So if you guys want to join and play with us, we're on the Choco Land, I think.
Chocolate.
Parastore. Jesus, this is awesome.
Yeah, the Choco Pack, you can put any weapon in there and then get it out anytime.
It's awesome.
Even if you die.
Okay. So we need to get a vehicle. Now it's going to be quite easy to get a vehicle, as like if I look around, look, oh, there's a vehicle. And then if I look around again, oh, there's a vehicle. Oh, there's a vehicle. Lots of, oh god, I'm getting shot. I think I'm
Where are
getting
you?
shot. I'm in like a forest kind of thing. I only have a pistol.
Okay, well, an SUV.
So check out Luke's channel, Blintlin. He's doing really well. Really, yeah. And look, guys, look at the boat.
Oh, you're near there. I can come pick you up. Oh wait, it's moving.
Yeah.
If you see an SUV, that's me, so.
Okay. Oh, might see you. Are you going up a hill kind of thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, come back. Go to the main airstrip. I'll meet you there. I'm a soldier.
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 I'm a soldier. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Where are you?
I'm coming now. Just wait there and running. Give me time. I'm really slow. Wait.
Oh, the boat's about to kill me.
What?
Oh. Someone's actually driving that boat.
Is it? It's
Yep.
actually been drove.
Yes. Oh my days, what is he doing?
Well, that is awesome.
No. He keeps on moving my car.
Where are you?
I'm on top of the boat, and now he's pushing me to the right.
Oh, is that you?
I'm underneath the boat.
Oh, wow.
I'm in the boat. I'm in the boat. No, I'm out of the boat.
That's me looting the UAZ. Luke, let me go on your minigun.
Guess what, Brendan? This is
No,
Curly
no,
earlier.
Luke! No! No! So guys, if you haven't suspected, I killed Luke earlier and didn't really like it.
Yeah.
I killed him with a PKP. If that's right.
Just parachuting and then.
Woo! Stop it, banana! Put it banana! Oh my days! Open! Open! Oh wow! Physics. Luke, I'm on this building. Oh crumbs.
What building? The airstrip.
Wow! I didn't even break my legs. Yeah, I'm on the airstrip, Luke.
On the airstrip.
Yeah, I'm behind you.
perfect.
I'm behind you. Behind you. Near the Humvee.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, right. I won't shoot this time. Stop it.
I'm joking. I'm being shot, Luke. I'm being shot. Right. Gunner.
Yep.
Come on
Oh,
then.
oh.
Oh my god, this is awesome. Luke, this is absolutely awesome. It's got a holographic scope. Take that. Right, let's go give them some of their medicine. Oh my god, you can zoom into the hologram. Oh,
Right,
trying to
yeah,
shoot down
stop
a
that.
helicopter.
Yeah. Right.
Like, stop. You need to stop. Stop here. Stop here. Okay, we're being shot. Move. Move.
Right, I'm gonna go to the start of the airfield bit, and then the.
Okay.
Uh
Where are
oh.
we being shot? Where are we being shot from?
Go shoot. The heli.
What? Oh, the heli? Shooting at it. Got like 1,000 bullets. Go. Right. Keep going forward, Luke. Get as close as you possibly can.
It's landing.
So, Lenny! Oh my god, it's about to blow up! Aye! Oh, stop here, Luke, stop here, stop here!
No way is that bulletproof.
It just
Down
went
it
in the
goes.
sea.
Boom.
Jesus, that took a lot of bullets. God. Yep, GG indeed. If anyone messes with us, we'll blow you up!
Blow you up.
We'll blow you out!
Blow you up.
And
Did Lewis reply to any of those Minecraft episodes?
Nope, still hasn't. Lewis, if you're out there, please comment. Oh, it's parachute, let's shoot it down.
There's a sniper, let's go and find him.
Okay.
He's up there. Oh, I can hear him. He's definitely, yeah, he's up there somewhere. Oh, it's a helicopter.
Let's get in it, shall we take it?
Yeah, right.
Can I drive, please? Show
yeah.
the YouTubes my amazing skills. Okay, pilot. Oh,
Go.
it's red on everything. Wow. Guys, I was getting so happy.
Do you want to see that helicopter that I have?
Yeah, sure.
Here you go.
Well, how do you like deploy it?
You click save vehicle.
And then how do you like deploy it? Like, do you scroll and what does it say?
Oh, I don't, where's it gone? I don't know. Wait, anyway. Oh wait, heli just dropped here.
Where?
Right here. Wait,
Is
it's
that-
mine. This might be mine.
Luke, it might have...
Okay, it's mine.
Can I fly it?
It's mine.
Luke, I've got... My legs are broke.
Oh, my bad.
Can you fly
Sorry,
it?
I can't- No, I shot a rocket. Oh, I'm dead. No! I've been shot.
Luke! Oh my god, no! Oh my days. So guys, as you can see, it's really, really fun, I would say. Let's spawn random. Luke likes the hardcore it in. James Bond. Do you have to be, Lou, do you have to be in the vehicle to save it?
Yeah, no, you just right, like, left, no, scroll it and then.
Oh yeah, it says,
You still, Brett, no, you did.
I think, yeah, you have to be in the vehicle, I think, because it... You have to be in
Oh my
vehicle.
days, the boat's flying!
What? Yeah, I know. Whereabouts is it, though?
Rats, kill me! Oh,
No.
boat killed me again.
Luke, I'm in a Humvee. I'm coming. I'm in like a medical Humvee here, guys. Making my way downtown. Recon vehicle. The recon vehicle has been captured. Is there any more missions to do? No. That's just wait. Go, go, go. Yeah, by the way, Luke, do you know that helicopter? That's my favourite sort of helicopter, because it's Vietnam, like, kind of thing.
I am.
Yeah. It's basically, in Arma 3, guys, there's this thing called a Hellcat, and it's like a Vietnam-type helicopter, and I love, like, Vietnam helicopters. Are really nice. If you don't know what Vietnam is, war and stuff. Yeah. Best description ever.
Random. Okay, I spawned random. And I am...
Oh, yeah, boom. I'm gonna be shot.
AH6. I might be able to get.
I'm gonna be shot at. Ah!
I'd like to promote some channels. Mr. Devious. Yep.
Yeah.
His awesome channel.
Yeah.
He's gonna upload, like he said in his channel update video. So go give him a thumbs up, like, and if you like his Dead Island preview, actually watch it.
Yeah.
And then he'll appreciate the views he gets more. Oh
God.
and the Viking of the North. Oh, hello. I see a guy here.
Luke, I mean, on my days, Luke, I mean like a RPG type thing that locks onto anything.
I just killed a guy. Awesome.
How did I get into that lock-on thing?
Oh, I combat locked.
Bus. Lock on. Fire!
Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, there's two guys. They haven't noticed me. Good. I'm gonna run away. They won't notice me.
Meow.
Viking of the North, he does Xbox One videos.
Yep.
Unfortunately, due to his
Oh God.
YouTube application and other terms of difficulties, he can't upload.
Yeah.
His hands just won't touch the Xbox controller or the button to turn it on. And if you say, well, hey up, Luke's got a heli. Luke got a
Yeah.
heli.
Yeah.
I might crash it.
Oh God.
Okay, where are you, Brendan?
Oh my days. I
What?
saw this earlier. It's like, oh Luke.
What?
It's like it's a Avenger. Like it has on the it's got like missile like M3P. Just look. Right.
Oh, the boat's trying to kill me. Oh, I'm dead again.
Right, Luke, where are you? I'm being serious. It's got like, oh guys, if you're seeing this, which you probably are, obviously, don't post in the comments. It looks cool.
I am really angry.
Okay, Luke, meet me at the top of the airfield. Oh, there's a helicopter. It's parachuting down.
That boat's a hazard. I just got killed. It's nowhere near me.
Luke, there's a helicopter. It's parachuting down. It's parachuting. It's landed.
Well, I just had a really good helicopter, and then out of nowhere, this boat comes like Jaws, kills everyone. Oh my God, there's two more helis. No way.
Oh no, I died. Oh, Luke, oh, you should have saw that. Right, Luke, when you watch my video, you need to see that. Honestly, that vehicle was amazing.
Well, I've just found another heli. Oh, and it works. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. This one doesn't. The other one might.
L.
Okay, this one works.
L.
Okay, I got another heli.
Okay. Spawn my vehicle.
Come on, please don't kill me, boat.
This dude just went, can you stop taking down my helis, please? And it was the heli which I had.
Oh, it's died again.
So guys, I'm going to be uploading Pixelmon. And yeah, that should be alright. I might be doing that with Luke, maybe. Let's see. I think I've already recorded one episode. But I haven't had the chance to. I'm also doing the Blocking Dead with me and Luke are going to be doing some more mini games. Where are you, by the way?
I am coming to the airfield.
Okay. I'm going to get in an ambulance. A bambulance. Yeah. Oh, my eyes hurt. Not again. Oh no. Oh my god. Yeah. I like my windows out. Does it me rolling? Right, so we turn the sirens off. Oh no, we can't turn the sirens on. What is that dude doing in the boat? Jesus, man.
No, I don't. Right, I've got a sick gun. Right, so you're at the...
I'm coming to the fire station. No, not fire station. What am I on?
You're on Arma.
Yes.
You meant you're going to the...
Airfield.
Airstrip.
Yes. In my ambulance.
I'm in a ambulance as well. Scooby-Doo truck, as I like to call it.
Scooby-Doo, where are you? Dun, dun, dun,
Where do you want to meet? The massive...
I was going to be on the airstrip. Just find me on the airstrip.
Right.
Me and my ambulance. My ambulance. Okay, I'm on the airstrip.
Oh, I see you. I'm right behind you.
Are ya?
Yep.
Alright, shall we do some, what? Crash, Derby, what's it called? Crash?
Crash. Set dummies. I don't know.
No, Derby,
Racing. Drag race.
yeah, okay, let's do a drag race then. Right, come over here. Going to do some drag racing. Right, we'll
Drag
start.
race.
Right, you've
Welcome
got
to Daisy Gear.
Daisy Gear.
Daisy Gear.
Okay.
With the presenters, Brandon,
Hey.
Isle. Wait, no, show me car.
Being shot.
3, 2, 1, go, 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 go.
Go, shit! I got shot. Scooby-Doo, where are you? I'm Iron Man.
So, it's not gonna get sued for copyright.
Yeah. Copyright. Jack Sir, copyright.
Hey guys! Oh, I completely landed on the opposite side of where the
I see a chopper. I shall blow. Suicide jump in slides. Open your parachute at the ground. Use mouse wheel. I don't want to commit suicide.
I'll meet you, you see the massive tower near the airstrip?
Yeah.
Try and get on top of that.
Okay. I'm just floating down. Which one, on the left side or the right side?
Looks like a lighthouse.
Oh, someone's in a plane.
Are they?
Yeah. Yeah, but there's two of them.
Oh, the one facing... not where the massive skyscraper is.
Oh yeah, the one on the left.
Right south.
Yeah. Can I just land here? God, why does it take so slow?
Oh my days, who put scaffolding in it?
No idea. Ooh.
What?
I got shot again. Oh.
Okay, well, don't go to this one, it's just got scaffolding in it.
I want the ambulance again.
Someone's an idiot.
I
Let me see
know.
if I can snap this guy with my AS-50. Oh.
It's Del Boy! It's a Del Boy car! No income tax,
that's my
no
50.
guarantee. Oh. No income tax, no guarantee. No, it's not a three-wheeler, but still.
Right, get my AS-50 back. Shouldn't have messed with Frankie.
Yeah, I'm blaming Frankie, guys.
Yes, Frankie.
I'm getting shot. No, I'm not gonna get shot. So you can bugger off.
Nice to see you in the next chapter. Not the best impression, but I mean, man, it's pretty good, and I died again. Episode playing with Frankie.
Yeah.
Hey, man, you just drop your weapon there, so I can.
Come on.
Choco door, what's that?
I'm drag racing on the thingy, Luke.
Okay, I can meet you there.
I'm in the Delta Boy car. Oh, someone's there. We'll run him over. I just ran you over. Oh, now it's a campfire. Oh, there's the ambulances. Oh, wow. Got shots. That's impossible.
I don't think you can stay alive for more than 5 minutes on this.
Yeah, unless you're like in a helicopter.
But then you get run over by a boat.
Yeah. I want to buy a...
Oh, I thought you were going to say I want to be a Toys R Us kid.
Oh, wow! Oh my days!
Being Sam now.
Oh my days! Oh my god.
Oh my
something
God.
is coming up soon, isn't it?
Yep.
I need to get my camera sorted out.
Rotate vehicle.
I got a thing that looks like an AS50, and it's bigger than an AS50.
Oh, this is... I've got a little bird. Luke, I've got a little bird. I just bought a little bird. I don't know how. I just bought a little bird.
I got a gold AK.
Luke, I've got a little bird. I just ordered a little bird and I've got it.
Okay.
Okay. Don't know what I did there, guys.
Right, come
Hey-ho.
pick me up. I'm at the skyscraper next to the airfield.
Okay.
Double kill.
Double kill.
Dude, I just heard that. What was that?
That one's
Oh, no.
Okay.
God. Oh, yes. I'm being shot. This is based.
Don't die, Brandon. You can make it.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Where are you? I can hear you.
Right, where are you?
I am. Wait, where are you? Oh, I see you. Let him move it. No, go backwards. Go to the right. Yeah, come back over here. I'm like at the front of where the skyscraper is.
That's skyscraper.
Yeah, I'm shooting a distress signal.
I'm gonna land very quickly. Okay?
Yep.
Best landing ever. I see you.
Right,
James
come on,
Bond.
come on. Squish me. Right, in back. There we go. 3,
You have a
2, 1.
golden
Go, go, go,
AK.
go, go.
I
Yeah.
can't help to notice you got golden AK.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Let's go hover over this dude's base to see what's...
I can't shoot, so
Right, what's there? A bunch of rubbish.
it's a truck.
Yep.
Wait, I could snipe if you take me to the massive tower.
Okay. No.
Come on,
Fire
Brendan.
missiles at me.
Ship's there. There's another heli there. Oh, maybe that's the one that doesn't work.
Okay, well guys, I'm gonna end the episode here on a cliffhanger. I'm gonna I'm gonna end the episode here on a cliffhanger. Gonna be playing more Wasteland later.